Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Tired of missing calls because your iPhone's ringtone is too short? In this video, I will show you how to extend your iPhone's ringtone duration, ensuring you never miss a call again. Let's go. To make your iPhone ring longer before going to voicemail, you need to adjust the ring time by contacting your carrier or using specific codes that vary depending on the carrier. To do this, go to your phone app and dial your carrier's code. Here's a general approach for major carriers. For AT&T, T-Mobile, and carriers using GSM networks, dial *61 and press call. You'll see your voicemail number. Note this down. Now dial the following code to set your preferred ring time. Follow this format. Replace voicemail number with the number you noted earlier and with your preferred ringing time in seconds. It could be 15, 20, 25, or 30 seconds. For example, if your voicemail number is 12345 and you want 30 seconds, dial it like this. Then press call. For Verizon, it doesn't support changing the ring time through a code. You'll need to contact Verizon customer support to request an extension of your ring time. For Sprint, now merged with T-Mobile, contact Sprint's customer service to have the ring time extended. After setting the new ring time, test it by calling your iPhone from another phone to ensure that the new duration is active. If you encounter any issues, your carrier's customer service can assist with adjusting the ring time. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.